This has 3 modes for spraying, kind of a lower or a higher and then a pulsing mode, and it sprays really well, sprays fast. I tried to floss, I'm not great. This is a lot easier and a lot more pleasant to use. I've actually used a lot of different water flossers. I've reviewed a lot. Just a few things of note. I like to fill this up with warm water. It just feels really nice on my teeth, I find. One nice thing about this water flosser is the nozzles it comes with. It comes with a wider variety of nozzles than other water flossers I've tried. Another nice thing about this is putting the nozzle in or taking it out is absolutely as simple as possible. You don't have like a little lever that you have to press. But one thing I like about this is it comes with this brush. So for like braces or stuff, if you kind of need to brush your teeth a little bit as you floss or just kind of get in between parts, you can use this. It also has the one for the tongue. Honestly, I've never used it, but if you want to spray your tongue, you can. So let's check out some of the nice features with this water flosser. The first thing I want to point out is that this comes off so you can clean this. I've actually had to throw one of these away because this base didn't come off. It got moldy, and yeah, that's kind of a bummer. Another kind of cool thing about this is when you charge it via USB-C, you can actually grip the rubber. This is waterproof, and so they have to kind of make this seal around it. So that's nice that they make it so easy. And then to put the nozzles in and out, you just push it in, take it out. That's about as easy as you can get. So you got your standard nozzle. This one has a rubber tip so you can kind of get in between the gums a little bit better. This one I believe is for like braces and stuff, so you can kind of brush and spray at the same time. And then this just kind of reflects it down to your tongue. So let's check out some of the different modes. You just press on to turn it on. So you got kind of a faster speed, and then your pulse. Medium, strong, pulse. Pretty simple. My son recently got braces, so that's why we got this water flosser for him to use, just to make things a lot simpler. Braces aren't the most pleasant thing to have, and he hasn't really been too excited for them, but this makes things a lot easier. I like how simple it is to use, and as I mentioned before, it's really nice that this base comes off. It just simplifies things. I've seen a lot where they have this thing on the back to pour the water in. No thank you. I like this whole thing coming out. I like to be able to dry it or clean it, especially after a while. This can get dirty, or if you have hard water like I do, you really will want to clean out some of the minerals in that. This is a really nice water flosser. Charges via USB-C, simple as possible. Check it out. Thanks for watching.